Hello, my name is Manyazal and this is General Science 2024 or 2016 Ethiopian calendar middle level school living certificate or grade 8 ministry exam with answers and explanations. Choose the best answer. Question number 1. How many types of atoms are in CH4? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. The answer is 2. Methane contains 2 types of atoms, carbon and hydrogen. The subscript 4 indicates 4 hydrogen atoms, but they are the same type. Thus, only 2 distinct or atom types are present, carbon and hydrogen. Question number 2. What is hypothesis testing in a scientific investigation? It's A. Tentative explanation for the observed phenomenon. B. Process of interpreting data to verify or disprove hypothesis. C. Process of designing experiments to test hypothesis validity. D. Process of asking critical questions from observed phenomenon. The answer will be process of interpret to verify or disprove hypothesis. Hypothesis testing involves analyzing data from experiments to determine if the hypothesis is supported or refuted. Question number 3. Which of the following is true about transparent and translucent bodies? A. Colored drink bottle is a transparent body. B. Colorless drink bottle is a transparent body. C. Both colored and colorless drink bottles are translucent bodies. C. Both colored and colorless drink bottles are transparent bodies. The answer is colorless drink bottle is a transparent body. Transparent bodies allow light to pass through clearly. Example, colorless bottle. Question number 4. What is magnetism? It's the property of materials to attract all A. Metals, B. Non-metals, C. Magnetic materials, D. Conductors. The answer is magnetic materials. Magnetism attracts only magnetic materials. Example, iron, nickel and cobalt. Question number 5. What is the chemical formula of a salt formed from aluminum and carbonate ions? A. Al3CO3 the whole 2. B. Al3 plus CO3 to minus. C. Al2 CO3 the whole 3. D. AlCO3. The answer is Al2 CO3 the whole 3. Aluminum has a plus 3 charge and carbonate ion has minus 2 charge. Hence the answer is C. Question number 6. What is variable in scientific investigation? It's A. A condition in scientific experiments. B. A suggested solution for a problem. C. A group of things used to test something. D. Process of critical observation of nature. The answer is a condition in scientific experiments. A variable is a factor or condition that can change in an element. Example, independent, dependent, and the likes. Question number 7. What is the relative charge of a proton? A -1, B 0, C plus 0.5, D plus 1. The answer is plus 1. A proton has a relative charge of plus 1, an electron -1, and neutron 0. Question number 8. Which of the following statements is true about the structure of an atom? A. The nucleus of an atom contains proton and electron. B. Neutrons are located in different energy levels. C. Neutrons and electrons are located around the nucleus. D. The nucleus of an atom contains proton and neutron. The answer is the nucleus of an atom contains proton and neutron. The nucleus contains proton and neutron, while electrons orbit in energy levels. Question number 9. What is the difference between atomic number Z and mass number A? A. Atomic number is the number of proton, while mass number is the sum of proton and neutron. B. Atomic number is the number of electrons and proton, while A is mass of neutron. C. Atomic number is the number of proton, while mass number is the mass of proton and electrons. D. Atomic number is the number of neutron and proton, while mass number is the mass of an atom. The answer is atomic number is the number of proton, while mass number is the sum of proton and neutron. Atomic number is the number of protons, and mass number is protons plus neutrons. Question number 10. How many electrons are there in an atom of sodium? A. 34, B. 23, C. 12, D. 11. The answer is 11. Sodium's atomic number Z is equal to 11 equals the number of protons in a neutral atom. So protons equal electrons. Question number 11. Hydrogen atom has one proton and one electron. Which of the following diagram can represent the structure of hydrogen atom? After analyzing all four diagrams, diagram B is the only one that correctly represents the structure of hydrogen atom. It shows the proton in the nucleus at the center with the electron orbiting around the nucleus in a larger circular path, consistent with the basic atomic model of a hydrogen atom. Hence, B will be the answer. Question number 12. Carbon-containing substances that can form many carbon-carbon chains are called dash. A. Inorganic compounds. B. Organic compounds. C. Oxides of metals. D. Carbonates of metals. The answer is organic compounds. Organic compounds contain carbon and can form long carbon-carbon chains. Example, hydrocarbons. Question number 13. What is the chemical formula of alkene that contain 4 carbon atoms? A. C4H6, B. C4H8, C. C4H10, D. C4H12. The answer is C4H8. Alkene have one double bond and follow CnH2n. For 4 carbons is equal to 4, and hence C4H8 will be the answer. Question number 14. What is the name of the acid represented by HCl? A. Hydrogen chlorine acid, B. Hydrogen chloride acid, C. Hydrochloro acid, D. Hydrochloric acid. The answer is hydrochloric acid. HCl is hydrochloric acid, which is a standard name given for it. What is neutralization reaction? It is the reaction between A. Metals and nonmetals to form salts, B. Two salts to form other two salts, C. Acids and bases to form salts and water, D. Metals and acids to form salts and hydrogen. The answer is acids and bases to form salt and water. Neutralization is acid plus base to give salt and water reaction. Question number 16. If sulfuric acid is splashed on your hand during experiment, what can you do? Wash the affected part using A. Excess water, B. Salt solution, C. Lemon juice, D. Dilute acid. The answer is excess water. Water dilutes and removes sulfuric acid safely. Question number 17. Suppose you have given magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide, water and sulfur trioxide. Which of the following classification is correct for the above substances? A. Acids and bases, B. Bases and acidic oxides, C. Metallic and non-metallic oxides, D. Basic anhydrides and salts. The answer is metallic and non-metallic oxides. Magnesium oxide and calcium oxide are metallic oxides, which are basic. Carbon dioxide and sulfur trioxide are non-metallic oxides, which are acidic. And H2O or water is a neutral oxide. That fits C for the correct answer. Question number 18. If you want to prepare sulfur dioxide and test its acidic nature, which of the following methods should you follow? A. Grind sulfur with iron and test using dry blue litmus paper. B. Burn sulfur in air and test using moist blue litmus paper. C. Melt sulfur in a closed container and test using dry red litmus paper. D. Dissolve sulfur in water and test using moist red litmus paper. The answer is burn sulfur in air and test using moist blue litmus paper. Burning sulfur, which is sulfur plus oxygen to give sulfur dioxide, which dissolves in moist litmus, turning blue to red, for it is acidic. Question number 19. Two students took 4 test tubes and labeled them as test tube 1, 2, 3 and 4. They added 5 milliliter sodium hydroxide solution to each of the test tubes. Then they add red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, 2 drops of phenolphthalein solution and 2 drops of methyl orange to the test tubes respectively. Which of the following statement could be the correct result of the experiment? A. The color of the solution in test tube is unchanged. B. The blue litmus paper in test tube 2 is changed to red. C. The red litmus paper in test tube 1 is changed to blue. D. The color of solution in test tube 4 is unchanged. The answer is red litmus paper in test tube 1 is changed to blue. Sodium hydroxide is a base. Red litmus turns blue in base. So C is the correct. Question number 20. The function of human integumentary system is to A. Break down large foods into smaller forms. B. Prevent dehydration by reducing water loss. C. Transport wastes in the human body. D. Move air into and out of the human body. The answer is prevent dehydration by reducing water loss. The integumentary system or skin prevents water loss. Question number 21. The major structural components of the human muscular system include A. Cardiac, smooth and skeletal. B. Gallbladder, liver and mouth. C. Oil gland, touch receptor and hair. D. Bone, sweat gland and scrotum. The answer is cardiac, smooth and skeletal. System includes cardiac, smooth and skeletal muscles. Question number 22. What is the main function of the human skeletal system? A. It stores minerals and fats in our body. B. It produces gametes like eggs and sperms. C. It protects our body against ultraviolet light. D. It transports nutrients throughout our body cells. The answer is it stores minerals and fat in our body. The skeletal system stores minerals, example calcium and fats in the marrow. Question number 23. Which statement correctly explains the function of a tooth type? A. Incisors are adapted for crushing food. B. Molars are adapted for cutting food. C. Canines are adapted for piercing food. D. Premolars are adapted for tearing food. The answer is canines are adapted for piercing food. Canines pierce, tear, incisors cut, premolars crush, and molars grind. Question number 24. Which option contains the major structural parts of the human respiratory system? A. Pharynx, esophagus, and stomach. B. Alveoli, bronchioles, and larynx. C. Bones, joints, and ligaments. D. Sweat gland, skin, and nails. The answer is alveoli, bronchioles, and larynx. Respiratory system includes alveoli, bronchioles, and larynx, as mentioned in B. Question number 25. The human respiratory system is used to A. Secrete the three types of blood. B. Move the various parts of our body. C. Protect the vital organs of our body. D. Expel carbon dioxide out of our body. The answer is expel carbon dioxide out of our body. Respiration expels carbon dioxide as mentioned in D. Question number 26. Which choice contains major structures of the human circulatory system? A. Trachea, nose, and bronchi. B. Cervix, uterus, and ovary. C. Heart, blood and blood vessels. D. Mouth, stomach, and colon. The answer will be heart, blood, and blood vessels. Circulatory system includes heart, blood vessels. Question number 27. Which of the following lists contain components of human blood? A. Veins and capillaries. B. Plasma and platelets. C. Aorta and arteries. D. Bone marrow and heart. The answer is plasma and platelets. Blood components are plasma and platelets. Question number 28. The major structural components of the human reproductive system include A. Bones, joints, and integument. B. Appendix, pancreas, and pharynx. C. Rectum, ileum, and gallbladder. D. Testicles, scrotum, and prostate gland. The answer is testicles, scrotum, and prostate. Male reproductive system includes testicles, scrotum, and prostate or prostate gland. Question number 29. Which one of the following is the primary sexual characteristics of humans? A. Deepening of voice. B. Possession of sex organs. C. Enlargement of breasts. D. Onset of menstruation. The answer is possession of sex organs. Primary sexual characteristics are present at birth. Example, sex organs. Question number 30. Which one of the following disease is associated with human reproductive system? A. Gonorrhea. B. Sinusitis. C. Hemorrhoids. D. Osteoporosis. The answer is gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is a sexually transmitted infection affecting the reproductive system. Question number 31. What is the function of fallopian tube? It is used to A. Separate the vagina from the uterus. B. Develop the fetus during pregnancy. C. Receive the female penis during sex. D. Transport egg from ovary to uterus. The answer is it is used to transport egg from ovary to uterus. Fallopian tube transport eggs. Question number 32. Which statement is correct about food chain and food web? A. A food chain is a complex networking of feeding relationships. B. A food web is formed from the connection of many food chains. C. In a food chain, an organism may eat more than one kind of food. D. In a food web, each of the organisms eat only one kind of food. The answer is a food web is formed from the connection of many food chains. A food chain is a linear feeding sequence, while a food web connects multiple chains. So the correct statement aligns with this distinction, as mentioned in B. Question number 33. What is the role of nutrient cycling in nature? A. It helps to reuse nutrients in the environment. B. It helps to convert one nutrient into a different one. C. It helps to reduce nutrient content in the soil. D. It helps to change gaseous state into solid phase. The answer will be it helps to reuse nutrients in the environment. Nutrient cycling recycles elements, example carbon, nitrogen, for reuse. Question number 34. Which one of the following is true about clay soil? A. It has high ability to retain moisture. B. It is suitable for farming activities. C. It has the highest drainage system. D. It is the heaviest and densest soil. The answer is it has high ability to retain moisture. Clay soil retains water due to small particles. Question number 35. Which one of the following is a good practice of soil conservation? A. Cutting of trees for agricultural practices. B. Burning of crop residue cover in farmlands. C. Expanding the construction of households. D. Counterplowing and terracing farmlands. The answer will be counterplowing and terracing farmlands. Counterplowing and terracing prevent erosion. Question number 36. Which statement is false about the use of water to human being? A. It helps to regulate body temperature. B. It serves as a shock absorber in our brain. C. It serves as energy source to human body. D. It transports nutrients through circulation. The answer will be it helps to regulate body temperature. Question number 37. Which one of the following is not the impact of air pollution? A. Formation acidity of rain. B. Weathering of rocks by biological factor. C. Throat irritation due to release of smog. D. Washing out of nutrients from the soil. The answer will be weathering of rocks by biological factor. Air pollution causes acid rain, and it also causes throat irritation due to release of smog. Question number 38. Which one of the following leads to global warming? A. Burning of gasoline in cars. B. Construction of small dams. C. Faulty farming system. D. Excessive use of inorganic fertilizers. The answer is burning of gasoline in cars. Burning gasoline releases carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas causing global warming. Question number 39. Which human activity will reduce the emission of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere? A. Burning fossil fuels. B. Cutting down trees. C. Afforestation of trees. D. Factory smokes. The answer is afforestation of trees. Afforestation absorbs carbon dioxide. Question number 40. What is forest? It's a or an complex ecosystem containing trees as dominant. B. Individual tree plant found in a certain area. C. Complex ecosystem containing shrubs as dominant. D. Complex ecosystem containing only tree plant species. The answer is it's a complex ecosystem containing trees as dominant. A forest is an ecosystem dominated by trees. Question number 41. Which statement is false about the use of forest? A. It provides food sources for animals like us. B. It plays a great role in the formation of soil. C. It moderates climate through transpiration. D. It plays great role in soil erosion of an area. The answer is it plays great role in soil erosion of an area. Forests prevent erosion. So D is false. Question number 42. Which one of the following is the cause of deforestation? A. Searching alternative fuel sources. B. Planting trees outside forest areas. C. Cutting trees for mining purpose. D. Planting trees on roadsides. The answer is cutting trees for mining purpose. Cutting trees for mining purpose causes deforestation. Question number 43. Which one of the following is an in situ conservation strategy? A. Introduction of new species into an area. B. Protecting wild animals in natural forests. C. Keeping wild animals in zoological parks. D. Keeping seeds of indigenous plant in seed banks. The answer is protecting wild animals in natural forests. In situ conservation species in their natural habitats. Question number 44. Which of the following is the name of a planet? A. Asteroid. B. Moon. C. Uranus. D. Star. The answer is Uranus. Uranus is a planet. The others are not. Question number 45. Which of the following is the closest planet to the Sun? A. Jupiter. B. Earth. C. Neptune. D. Saturn. Mercury is the closest to the Sun, but it's not in an option from A to D. Among listed, Earth is the third one, not the closest one. Take a serious reference on this question. Question number 46. Which of the following is correct about the motion of satellites around the Earth? A. There is no satellite which moves around the Earth. B. Satellites farther from the Earth move with greater speed. C. All satellites move with the same speed around the Earth. D. Satellites nearer to the Earth move with greater speed. The answer is satellites nearer to the Earth move with greater speed. Orbital speed decreases with distance, as Kepler's laws. Nearer satellites move faster. Question number 47. Which of the following is correct about the shape of the orbits of planets and satellites? A. All satellites and planets move in an oval or elliptical orbits. B. All satellites and planets move in a circular orbit. C. Satellites follow circular orbits whereas planets follow oval orbits. D. Planets follow circular orbits whereas satellites follow oval orbits. The answer is all satellites and planets move in oval or elliptical orbits. Both planets and satellites follow elliptical orbits. Question number 48. What is the reaction that Venus is considered as Earth's twin? A. It is the brightest planet in the night sky. B. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. C. It has no moons. D. Its size and mass are similar to that of the Earth. The answer is its size and mass are similar to that of the Earth. Venus is Earth's twin due to similar size and mass. Question number 49. Which of the following statement is correct about the planet Earth? A. Earth is also known as red planet. B. It has two natural satellites. C. It is the third nearest planet to the Sun. D. It is the largest planet in the solar system. The answer is it is the third nearest planet to the Sun. Question number 50. Which of the following makes the Earth to be suitable for life? A. It has abundant liquid water. B. It is the largest planet in the solar system. C. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. D. It is the nearest planet to the Sun. The answer is it has abundant liquid water. Liquid water is essential for the existence of life. Question number 51. Which of the following are sources of light? From burning candle, moon and sun. A. 1 and 2. B. 1 and 3. C. 2 and 3. D. 1, 2 and 3. The answer is 1 and 3. That is burning candle and sun, which are sources of light. Moon reflects lights. It's not a source of light. Those with sources of light are burning candle and sun. Question number 52. When white light is dispersed by a prism, it is dispersed into 7 colors. What are the next 3 consecutive colors below the red color respectively from top to bottom? A. Violet, yellow and blue. B. Yellow, violet and blue. C. Orange, yellow and green. D. Yellow, orange and green. The answer is orange, yellow and green, as in mentioned in C. Spectrum order, top to bottom: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Next three after red are orange, yellow and green. Question number 53. Which one of the ray diagrams illustrate the formation of virtual image in a plane mirror correctly? Where O is an object, M is mirror and I is image. The answer is A. After analyzing all four diagrams, diagram A is the only one that correctly illustrates the formation of a virtual image in a plane mirror. The image I is behind the mirror at the same distance as the object is in front, and the ray the law of reflection, with their backward extensions intersecting at the correct position for the virtual image. So the correct answer will be A. Question number 54. Which of the following correctly compares the speed of sound in different media? Speed of sound is the highest in vacuum, the highest in gases, greater in liquids than in solids, greater in solids than in liquids. The answer is greater in solids than in liquids. Sound travels first in solids, then liquids, and finally in gases. Question number 55. Which of the following cause of sound pollution accounts for the most polluting noise in cities? A. Noise from construction sites. B. Traffic noise. C. Noise from animals. D. Noise from school sirens. The answer is traffic noise. Traffic is the dominant noise source in urban areas due to volume and frequency. Question number 56. An echo is produced when sound waves are A. Transmitted through a medium. B. Absorbed by a surface. C. Reflected from a surface. D. Refracted into a second medium. The answer is reflected from a surface. An echo occurs when sound reflects off a surface. Question number 57. Which one of the following forms of energy transfers between bodies as a result of temperature difference? A. Heat energy. B. Chemical energy. C. Electrical energy. D. Sound energy. The answer is heat energy. Heat transfer due to temperature differences. Question number 58. Which of the following group of materials consists of only poor conductors of heat? A. Iron, copper, aluminum. B. Wood, steel, gold. C. Water, steel, copper. D. Plastic, blanket, rubber. The answer is plastic, blanket and rubber. Insulators or poor conductors. Question number 59. Which of the following set of materials should be included in constructing a simple circuit? 1. Wire. 2. Ammeter. 3. Bulb. 4. Voltmeter. 5. Switch. 6. Battery. The answer will be 1, 3, 5 and 6. A simple circuit needs wire 1, bulb 3, switch 5 and battery 6. Question number 60. Which of the following figures correctly shows the magnetic lines of force around a single bar magnet? The answer is C. After analyzing all 4 diagrams, diagram C is the only one that correctly shows the magnetic lines of force around a single bar magnet. The field lines emerge from the North Pole, curve smoothly around the magnet, and enter the South Pole, with higher density near the poles and a symmetrical pattern consistent with the properties of a bar magnet's magnetic field. Hence, the answer is C. Dear viewers and listeners of this YouTube channel, this is all about the 2024 or 2016 Ethiopian Calendar General Science Ministry exam paper with its answers and explanations. If you have any question or comment, you are welcome. If you get it useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in other subjects. Wish you good luck all grade 8 students. Thank you.